What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Harmo back with another freaking video. Hi, lovely people. I want to wish y'all all a happy New Year's. I hope y'all New Year's has been going well. Mine's been going smoothly. I know I haven't been consistent with posting actual YouTube videos. I have been consistent with posting shorts, TikToks. Did y'all see that? What is going on? Shorts, TikToks, and reels. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at @Itzz.harmo2Ys. I'm gonna put it right here. Follow me on TikTok at OK.harmo right here, and make sure y'all subscribe to Itzz.harmo on YouTube so y'all can be tuned when I post shorts, go live, and make actual posts. I'm working on my consistency. I am a college student, so it's kind of hard for me to balance consistency and actually editing good quality videos for y'all. That's why I haven't been posting, because I feel like if I'm gonna post, I want it to be like good quality and not something I just threw together just to get it out the way, because I actually care about it. But I feel like I need to stop being so strict on how my editing looks and just get content out for y'all so y'all can actually be like interested, you know. But today I'm about to be doing my hair. My camera is about to die, so when I get back, my hair is gonna be pre-parted most likely, or in the process, because I gotta put my camera on the charger before it dies on me. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to do like a mini tutorial on how to do jumbo knotless. So the first step is detangle your hair and pre-part. Pre-parting makes things easier, especially when you're doing stuff alone. Make sure you have 2 mirrors, a big mirror where you can look at and a mirror where you can look behind. For example, I'll be using this mirror to check my parts with this mirror. You see what I'm saying? Where I can see both sides of my head. It is time consuming, so make sure you have time and patience. Don't be upset. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm back, guys. I gotta pause that. I'm about to show y'all the progress I've made. I do have practice, so I won't be able to start actually braiding yet. But I'm on the last section of parting. I was trying to follow this guide that I seen on TikTok for how big I want my parts, but I ended up not following it because, like the girl has said, everybody's head shape and hair density is different, so it may be different. Maybe I just didn't part it like that because I'm doing it on myself and it's harder to follow something on yourself. But enough yapping. I'm about to just show y'all what I got so far. Also, my hair is stretched, so it makes it easier when you're braiding to stretch your hair, but it's not required or anything. These are the parts. If they cricket, don't say too much. Like I said, they did by myself, so not too much on me. The top part is usually the easiest part because you just match both sides. Okay, so I have this hair, I have this hair or whatnot. I'm gonna do the 2 in the back, and then I'm gonna start in the front, because the back be the hardest. I'm gonna do 1 on camera, 1 off camera. So I'm gonna do my first one off camera, and I use 3 to 4 pieces on my jumbo knotless because I don't want them too thick, don't want them too thin, and I still want them to be a little long. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm doing the 1 on camera for y'all. Alright, I said I was gonna update y'all along the way. That's what I'm doing. I did my first 5 braids. They're in the back, so they're not the neatest, and I don't really care that much. Just in case I run out of hair, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the front. I'm gonna do my front 6 and then like fill in the rest once I do those. So when I get to one of these, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how to do it step by step. Alright guys, I got like 8 braids left, but I'm getting hungry, so I'm taking a break. I just want to let y'all know, I don't know what type of content I'm about to start making, but I do want my videos to be more personal, so y'all can get to know me for me and get my actual personality through film and not me just being so straight to the point. So I'm about to eat applesauce. When I finish this applesauce, I'll be back. And it's the apple cinnamon flavor. I had the strawberry, but I crushed those, so there's no more of those. Alright, I'm about to start doing the front piece for y'all. I won't be talking because I'm about to start listening to music. So just watch. I might do a voiceover for y'all. I'm now on TikTok Live. This is what I be talking about. Like, y'all need to follow me on TikTok so y'all could be with me while I'm making videos. But whatever.
Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Oh, you just my side. Who why? Tell a bitch who why. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the New York shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jura. Hating bitches walk like Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay.
Alright guys, I'm done with the actual braiding. Bro, I wasted something on my shirt. That is so ghetto. We're gonna cover that with braids. Actually, I'm about to change my shirt if it's that serious. But listen, so I'm done with the braiding portion. Now I gotta do my edges, and then I gotta put I gotta dip my hair in water. But this is the back. If it's ugly in the back, please just shut up. But I don't know, honestly. I thought I did good with parting, so not too much on me. I tried. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges first, and then dip my hair. I don't really feel like boiling water. I'm not at home. I don't got no kettle. I gotta heat up water in a cup. It's just so much. Who is it? Hold on, guys. You need a phone? The phone attached to it? Yeah, kind of. I was like doing a tutorial.
We on TikTok Live. Why you ain't tell me that?
That was Mia. She's a basketball player. I just did my edges, as y'all seen. I don't know. I don't like when my edges don't match, like identical, but it's cool or whatever. We about to get to the dipping part. I'm just doing straight ends. I'm not doing curly ends. No, I'm not doing braids. Should I start back doing braids? I haven't done braids since the summer. I'm on TikTok live too. I told y'all that. Y'all need to follow me on TikTok at Itzz.harmo right now. Cause what are you doing? You could be talking to me right now while I'm filming the video. Alright guys, I got my coffee cup of hot water in it. And I know it's ghetto, but like I don't have a kettle here, so not too much on me. You gotta do what you gotta do. Put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. So do with that info as y'all would like. Oh, my hand hurt. Hold on. That joint is piping. Okay, cool. That's how the ends look. I don't really care that much. Now it's time for mousse. This is the mousse I'm using. Now I'm done for real this time. For real. All this off my juicing. You don't see it. I'm about to end my live so I can make my TikToks. But I really enjoyed talking to y'all. Thank y'all for joining my live. Thank y'all for liking. I'm gonna be live again, hopefully. So yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Just stay tuned for my new post. I'm about to look so cute. Shout out to my lashes. I'm doing lashes tomorrow. But yeah, talk to y'all later. I'm gonna make my outro after I make my TikToks. Hey y'all. This is me on my phone because my camera's dead. I lost my battery pack during traveling back from school. Y'all, this video is from last year. So I'm sorry I don't lost the footage of me ending the video off. I apologize, for real. My apologies. If y'all do have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them and help out. I'm about to go buy me a battery charger thing for my camera so I can start making YouTube videos again. My birthday vlog will be coming out next. My birthday was in February. I know. But it's going to be some good content. Hopefully I got good footage. I have all that footage on my other SD cards. Traveling, I lost my SD cards. Like, I guess the one with the footage of me doing my hair, which I'm kind of sad about. But aside from that, Mama, please. I'm making a video right now.
I'm sorry.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below what videos y'all want to see. I'm about to start posting on YouTube. Y'all see my shorts. If you ain't seen my shorts, what you been looking at? Because I've been posting shorts. So don't say I haven't been active. I just haven't been active on videos. And yeah, y'all keep me about that. Well, I'm sorry. And if y'all wondering, I did do these braids twice. Oh, if y'all want a tutorial on boho, let me know if y'all want a tutorial on boho. Y'all can get it anyway, but not no time soon because these not coming out. But yeah, I keep saying but because I don't know how to end this off. I'm gonna end it off like this. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I'm with the boys in the hood right now. I'm feeling like Angela Bassett, looking like Jessica Rabbit. They know that I'm talking to